come with us as a group of friends turn this thing and this thing into one race car. This is a 1998 Honda Civic David found through a friend. It was abandoned by its owner when the engine blew a hole in the block and they found out how much it would cost to repair it. We were able to get a hold of this gem for only $200. Now that we got the car, the first thing we gotta do is gut it. The interior and the engine have to come out.
It's warm in this jalopy.
You having fun?
Define fun?
Oh yeah, what do we got going on right here?
Living in our air conditioning shop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa! That's
Yeah, stuff in the air conditioning shop.
we got David taking out stuff. We got Craig.
Car's rolling forward. The car's rolling forward.
It is not.
It was.
And just weld it down?
Oh, we can just bolt the, put 4 bolts in it, hold in place, and unscrew it.
Well, we want to get, if we're going to put the battery back here, we're going to want to get into it.
Well, it'd be 4 bolts. Boom. Ow. We'll probably be losing, I don't know, maybe 10 pounds. I mean, it's a front wheel drive car anyway, so.
Damn bolt right there.
Yeah.
We could weigh them.
Well, I mean, it's an idea. We're all here. We can make a decision if we do it or not.
Let's do it.
Make them a little wider.
Alright, so what are we going to do? Ready to take the exhaust down?
I'm sorry?
Let's take the exhaust down.
We're going to take something on. I don't know what it is, but something. We need to get this out.
That's going to need some WD-40, I'll tell you that.
Oh, absolutely. Where'd you put it?
Over there.
You know what? You want to spray it in?
I'll spray it in. Oh, we might have to.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah! Woo! We don't need it. Chuck? not gonna be there?
Medieval times. like like wrecking ball.
Yeah. That kind of.